you're talking to a support agent, but it is an AI and giving them a problem. And at the end of the conversation, the AI has solved it. It's added that information to its knowledge base. And then it actually is saying, hey, by the way, user, I've noticed that your PC, you haven't used Visio in 3 months. Is it okay if I reclaim that license? And the user chats, sure, that's okay. I don't need to use it. And it automatically reclaims that license. And also says, hey, by the way, your computer, is 4 years old per company policy. You are eligible for replacement. Here are three options available to you per your role and parameters. Would you like me to order one of these for you? I've got three in stock at this location. Sure, go ahead. And then it automatically ships it out. And this is all being done agentically through, again, some controlled systems and agents. But again, that's perfect world scenario in terms of that data quality being able to support those workloads, but that is available today. That's something you can do today. And it's all done through agents. Again, assuming you have the, policies and data all clean on the back end.
Right. So we've seen the expansion of ITAM into operational technology, IoT, right? The scope of ITAM has been broadening. And so it's not just, hardware devices like, servers and computers and software licenses, right? It's now it's all of an organization's digital and physical assets. And so, the volume of assets and the data that you're managing is going to be is huge, and it's increasing every day. And so how does an organization effectively manage their assets? And I think that's where tools like machine learning and AI can really help. Because you still have the same asset teams, right, running your ITAM processes. And so you need to get that next level in terms of productivity, in terms of efficiencies, right, for our teams. And that's where tools like ML and AI can help.
Our basic principles of managing risk and financial management, this is the same, but the nuances for AI are different. So the same kind of concepts people are finding. AI is very expensive. The same as like what we've seen with cloud and SaaS. Costs are spiraling out of control. And while we'll talk a little bit later about executive priorities and saying innovation is important, AI is mentioned every 5 minutes in most meetings at some point, right? The devil's always in the detail. And so this is where some of the hidden costs of AI can come out in, the classic linked agreements to other documents that you've not seen before that can change without being notified, and the complexities of the interdependencies of how that licensing is being calculated. So this is where it can get really interesting and difficult to try to effectively manage, but and the risks are also different in AI sometimes compared to what our normal licensing are, but we still need to have the same basic principles of ITAM should still apply.